In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images in Figma. Whether you're new to this powerful design tool or just looking for a refresher, this step-by-step guide will make it easy to add visuals to your projects, enhancing both their appeal and functionality. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to navigate to figma.com/login in your web browser. If you haven't logged in already, you'll see a prompt to access your account. You can sign in using your Gmail account or alternatively by entering your personal email and password. This step gets you into the Figma platform where all the creative magic happens. After logging in, locate and open the Figma file you'll be working with. If this is a new project, you can create a fresh file from your dashboard. Opening the file correctly is crucial as it sets the stage for you to start adding those visual elements. Now let's move on to the main task, inserting an image. This is straightforward. Simply drag the image file from your computer's file explorer and drop it directly onto the Figma canvas. This method is often the fastest way to get your images into Figma because it eliminates the need for navigating any additional menus. Once the image is on your canvas, you can adjust its size and position as needed. Click on the image to reveal its bounding box indicated by a blue outline and use the handles to resize it. You can reposition your image by simply clicking and dragging it around the canvas until it's in the perfect spot. Figma also offers creative flexibility with shape tools, allowing you to use rectangles, ellipses, and more to design custom layouts. To integrate an image within a shape, start by selecting one of the shape tools and creating a shape on the canvas, exactly where you want your image. With your shape selected, head over to the right sidebar where you'll find a menu with various options. Click on the fill option, which will allow you to customize how this shape looks. In the fill settings, you'll want to select the image option, which will prompt you to choose your desired image from your files. After the image is selected, it will be placed neatly inside the shape. You now have further choice on how the image fills the shape, whether it should fill, fit, stretch, or take on other adjustments. This feature provides a greater level of control and offers creative possibilities to achieve the exact aesthetic you're aiming for. With these simple steps, you can effectively insert images into your Figma projects, ensuring they look professional and visually striking. Thanks for watching and happy designing.